Okay, so what we are doing here, we are putting the numbers in order first. All right, we did already the 10th, the 20th, the 30th. So we are up to the 40th here. So 40 is the smallest number. We cross it every time we take it. We have another 40, so we're gonna put 40 again. All right, after 40, 42, I think. 42 is over here. And then after 42, 43, right? Do we have 48? Yes, 48. And then next one is gonna be 51. And then 50, right? 55. That's the last one. Okay, so don't forget to cross them because that helps you to eliminate many choices, right? Okay, we are almost done with the stem and leaf then. So it's really simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make a line here. You're gonna put the 10th, which is 1, and then you're gonna put 4, and then the 20th. So the 20th is 2, and then you're gonna put 1. After 1, you have 2, and then 3, and then 3. Are we okay? The 30th, that's the 30th, and 0, and then 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. The 40th right now, 4, 0, 0 again, 2, 3, and 8. And the last one is the 50th. That's 5, 5 and 1, and 5 and 5. We're good. That's the stem and leaf chart. I hope everybody okay with this. Now, what we want to do is we want to find the 5 number summaries, and then we're going to do the box plot, right? So the easiest way to do this, use the calculator. All right. So what you're going to do, if I'm going to go to stats, most likely I'm going to have a table filled up. So what you want to do first is cancel that table. All right. So you want to clean it. So how do you clean it the fastest way? You do second and plus, you go to memory, and then you're going to go clean list. All right. That's choice number 4. Enter again, is done. So now whenever you go back to stat and edit, you're going to have empty table. We go to L1 and then L1, and we're going to have to enter all these numbers. So you're going to enter them in order or not in order, doesn't matter really. All right. So it might take a time here. So you're going to be 14, enter, 21, enter. So you notice here the L20, right? Next to the 55, that means 20 numbers. And that's basically what I have. I have 10 and 10, 20 numbers, right? We good? So once we get this, you're gonna go right now to stat again, and then you're gonna go with the arrow to calculate. And then you select 1. That is already automatically selected by default, enter. So make sure this is the list in L1. The list, the frequency cleared. You don't have any frequency. You have only 1 line. And then you're going to go to calculate and enter, right? All right. So the number that you're looking for, the 5 number summary, are on the bottom. So you have to scroll down all the way down, right? So the 5 number, what are the 5 numbers? All right, the 5 numbers are the minimum, which is 14, Q1, which is 26.5, the median, and that's going to be 35.5, Q3, 41, and the maximum again be 55. Are we okay? Okay, so now if I want to do this data and I grab the box plot, what I need to do, I need to go to second and Y. I don't know what there is the plot, all right, statistical plot. And you have to turn it on. So once you go there, enter, and you have to see off. He's already highlighted off. So you have to click on and highlight it. We are okay with this? And then what you can do, you can go with the arrows and you're gonna look for the box plot. I think the box plot is the one before the last one. Do you see this icon, right? So that's one, it has to be highlighted and entered. Once it is entered, you're gonna tell you, oh, it is the list in L1, yes, and the frequency one, yes. All right, so I am done with this. So now what you wanna do, you wanna graph it, right? So in order to graph it, if you go to graph, you're supposed to see it, but in order to graph it better, you have to click on zoom, and then you're gonna have to scroll all the way down until you see zoom stat. So I am having a zoom on statistics, right? And once I enter here, that's the box plot that you're looking for. So how do you do it by hand? What you need to do first, you need the number line, right? Okay, once you have your number line, you need to put these numbers according to the scale. So if you have 14, you gotta put 14. So let's say this is like 10 here, this is 20, 30, 40, 50, right? We are okay with this? So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So you need to have a scale. So once you do the scale, so 14, where are you going to be 14? 14 is going to be somewhere here, right? Where are you going to be the next number, 26.5? So 26.5, you're going to be somewhere here, right? 26.5. So from here to here, you're going to make a line. So this is 26.5. Are we okay with this? Now, from the next one, 35, you can ignore it for now. You go to 41. So 41 is going to be right here. So from 41 to 26.5, you're going to make a box. All right. I skipped the middle one, right? And then I'm going to go to 55. So 55 is going to be somewhere here. I'm going to conclude here with another line. So this is the box, how I'm doing the box. Now, the only thing left is the median, which is 41. Sorry, 35.5. So 35.5 is going to be somewhere here in the middle. All right, and that's the box plot, how you get it.